Today we're going to be doing a satin stitch, drawn out a small square there as you can see on this felt. I'm bringing my needle up and then I'm going to take my needle back down again at the opposite side, and I'm choosing to take my needle down on the line. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go halfway along and bring my needle up, and I'm going to be just dividing this box up just so that it's a little bit more manageable. And the satin stitch is great because what you're trying to do is fill in solid blocks of the thread so that the shape is eventually filled. So I'm going to divide this little section here, this little rectangle, into two again. So I'm just going to take my needle down there, and then I'm going to go either side of that stitch. And what you're wanting to do is keep repeating your stitches until you've got a solid block filled. And you can do this with any shape. I'm going to divide that side. And the stitches are so close next to one another that it completely fills up your shape. Could have done an oval, could have done a circle, rectangle, satin stitch, because it provides you with a shiny glossy finish. And the aim is to have your piece completely covered by the thread with no fabric showing through.